Have you ever wondered how to give your cookies a stunning professional shimmer without fancy tools? Today, I'm going to show you an easy and magical way to use dry luster dust to elevate ordinary cookies into elegant creations. Specifically, I'll be using it on cookie flooded with royal icing, and the results are absolutely dazzling. You'll love it. All right, let's dive right in and gather everything we'll need before we begin. Having your tools and ingredients ready will make this process so much easier and enjoyable. Luster dust. I'm using gold for this demo, but there are so many colors to choose from. A small, soft paintbrush. Disposable gloves. This is a must, because believe me, if you skip this, you'll be shimmering like a disco ball for days. Paper towels to keep your counter clean and catch any excess dust. Okay, step 1, gloves on. I've learned the hard way. Gold dust tends to stick to skin. Once you've got those gloves on, place a paper towel on your workspace. Then, grab your cookie that was flooded with royal icing and dried and set it right on top of the paper towel. This helps keep things tidy because, let's face it, working with dry luster dust can get a little messy. Next, dip your paintbrush into the luster dust container. A little goes a long way, so just a light tap will do. Now, gently brush the luster dust over the surface of your cookie. Watch as that plain white royal icing transforms. It becomes a gleaming masterpiece with a soft, elegant shimmer. It's so satisfying to see the transformation happen before your eyes, almost like a little piece of edible art coming to life. I hope you're loving this process as much as I am. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss my baking tips. Do you have a special cookie decorating trick or a favorite way to add shimmer? Share your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear them. Love to. You'll notice how the gold dust adds that extra touch of decor, giving the cookies a classy, sophisticated look. This technique works beautifully on all kinds of cookies, from holiday shapes to everyday treats. Since luster dust comes in so many vibrant colors, you can experiment to match any theme or celebration, birthdays, weddings, or just a fun baking project with friends or family. Oh, and if you're curious about other ways to use luster dust, like creating a shiny edible paint, make sure to check out my next video. I'll show you exactly how to do that and share more decorating tips. That's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you give this technique a try. If you do, let me know how it turns out in the comments. Happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.